Hi everybody. Today I have the box from Fashionsta for August 2020. They sent me an email with a couple of spoilers. So I know that there's a correcting palette in here, a lip product, and I believe the other one was a skincare item. But they also said that everyone will receive 2 palettes. So we should also get an eyeshadow palette along with the color correcting one. All right. Cut the seal on it. There we go. How do you like my hairpin? I know it's a little over the top. It's actually for updos, but it's been just collecting dust, so I decided I might as well wear it sometime. Because heaven knows when I'll get a chance to go anyplace fancy again. Okay, here's the card. And all of the items on the back. Right, okay. So the third item that I couldn't remember was this. It's called Mermaid Milk. Tiny print. Okay. So this is a Nutrient Glow Moisturizer with spirulina and matcha. Okay. And it is from Earth Harbor. It says purely natural, ethical, sea-based. So that's good. Now let's see what it feels like and smells like. There's the jar. Mermaid milk. My daughter calls me a mermaid because I drink so much water. It has a light, natural type of scent. Oh. It feels like a cloud cream, you know, the kind that sinks into your skin right away. It's not greasy. It just feels moisturizing. So this is nice. I like this. And this is the next item. It has some embossed words on it, but you can't really see them. But looking at this little sticker here, I think this is the lip product that I saw in the spoiler. Let's see who this is from. It's from CLE Cosmetics Melting Lip Powder. And this shade is Hot Choco. Alright, sounds like a brownish color. And there it is. I had gotten one of these a while back in a different sub box, but it was red. This one. And it's interesting because even though it looks like a powder when you move it around in the jar, when it comes out and it touches your skin, it feels liquid. And that is Hot Choco. Like that new brownish pink type of color. Okay, and the third spoiler I saw is this color correcting palette from Bella Pierre. That's another brand that we've gotten before in a few different sub boxes. It's okay. but I didn't know they made color correcting palettes. So take a look at this. And concealer. It has a booklet, instructional. This is an instructional guide showing you how to use the products. And the color wheel and all of that on there. All right, now let's see what it looks like. Oops. It has a mirror. And these are the color correctors and concealers. Okay. It's very creamy. Let's see how it looks. That is this concealer right here. Okay, and this other one. Okay. So we got concealer and color corrector in the cream formula. And then we have 3 more items. Now these next 3 are the surprise items. So this is from, does that say Dirty Lame? Really? Let me see. Let me actually see if that's what it says. No, Dirty Lamb. Okay, that's a little better. Ultra Day Serum. Non-greasy formula. Smooth finish. And it's made with rice bran oil. Keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. Okay, that's good. Let's see what it feels like. Ooh, the smell is kind of strong though. It smells like a natural product, but it does have a strong smell. Let's see how it feels. Oh yeah. Has a strong herbal smell, but it soaks in pretty quickly. Okay. And then the next thing is once again, this is from Catrice Cosmetics. It's the Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Oh. I never had a glowy setting spray before. I like the smell. It's light and fresh. I guess I'll spray a little bit of it on. Not bad. That feels good. Okay, and then the last thing is from Amore Us Shine Bright Eyeshadow Palette. Okay. It has a preview of the colors on the back. Oh, it's so pretty. Has the little mirror. And these are the colors. Let me take this plastic off. And these are nice colors too. Let's see how they swatch. start with some of the shimmer ones first. Okay. Not a whole lot of pigment in those. See how the mattes do. Okay. Not a whole lot of pigment in the mattes either. But it's okay. It'll be fun to play with. Let's look at these. Okay, these are a little better. All right. So for this month's The Box from Fashionsta, we got the Mermaid Milk Cream, which I really like a lot. The CLE Lip Powder in the shade Hot Choco, there. We got the Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum, which feels good but has a really strong herbal smell. The Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Setting Spray. I think I might like this. It went on light and I don't feel it at all. Yeah, I think I'll enjoy using this one. The Bella Pierre Color Correcting and Concealer Palette. Right there. And the Amore Us Shine Bright 15 Color Eyeshadow Palette. Right there. Okay, so that's everything we got in the box from Fashionsta for August. Thank you for watching. Bye.